Hey everyone, this is Kevin from OverAI, and we are going to go over the way to add new users to the platform. So you can see we're over here on the people page within OverAI, and I'm going to check out the one existing user within my account. This user is Justin, and you can see that we have two workspaces over here, which is one logical way to manage your projects in OverAI. And after you start creating workspaces, you can manage users' permission with each one. So you can see that Justin has more permissions. He has the editor level in the second workspace, but only viewer in the default workspace. Uh, and there's also a manager level so that he can manage anything going on in that workspace. You can see we can remove him here, and we can turn him into an account admin uh, with this toggle, which means that he'd be able to be a manager in every single workspace and manage account level settings. So some pretty basic tools here. And if we look at the invite flow, we'll use my alternate email address, and you can see that I can quickly, decide which workspaces I want to add this person to and the level of permissions in each one. So that's how to manage user privileges one by one. So you can either, in order to add a new user to the platform, you can either invite them this way, or we can go over here to settings and then look at the SAML single sign-on settings over here. So I'm going to hit edit because I haven't set it up yet. And you can see many of the basic fields that you would typically see with managing um, a SAML integration. The key thing here is we allow for a default role for new users. You probably want this to be a lower privileged role, so just user. And then after that, as users sign in for the first time, you will see the setting here that will allow them to automatically create new user accounts with permissions user. And then after that, you would log back in and give them the right permissions within each workspace and continue on from there. So that's how you would use SAML if your company uses an IDP, and you'd like to manage users at scale in that way without inviting people one by one.